Hey there, finance enthusiasts! Are you trying to figure out whether Yahoo Finance Premium is actually worth paying for? Or is the free version enough for your needs? In this video, we're diving deep into both versions, side by side, so you can decide which one fits your financial goals best. Before we dive in, this video is perfect for investors of all levels, whether you're just getting started in the stock market, or you've been managing your portfolio for years and are wondering if it's time to level up your tools. We'll go feature by feature and break it all down clearly, with real-world use cases along the way. Let's start with the basics. Yahoo Finance is a free platform that offers access to real-time stock data, market news, portfolio tracking, and basic charts. It's incredibly popular with beginner investors, traders, and anyone who wants to keep an eye on the markets without paying a dime. The free version of Yahoo Finance provides a wealth of information at your fingertips, making it a go-to resource for millions of users worldwide. You don't even need to create an account to start exploring, which makes it one of the most accessible financial tools online. And while the free version doesn't offer bells and whistles, it covers 80–90% of what most beginner to intermediate investors need on a daily basis. When you first land on the Yahoo Finance homepage, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. You'll see the latest market headlines, major stock indices, and trending tickers. The search bar at the top allows you to quickly look up any stock, ETF, or cryptocurrency you're interested in. Once you click on a specific ticker, you'll get a snapshot of its performance, including the current price, daily change, and a basic chart. The layout is also mobile-friendly, which means you can easily keep track of markets on the go using the Yahoo Finance app. The app syncs seamlessly with your Yahoo account, allowing you to track your watch lists, read financial news, and get alerts, all in one place. This makes it a great companion for people who commute, travel, or just prefer using their phones over a desktop. One of the most valuable features of the free version is the ability to create and track your own watch lists. This allows you to keep tabs on your favorite stocks or potential investment opportunities all in one place. You can customize these lists to show the metrics that matter most to you, whether that's dividend yield, market cap, or 52-week highs and lows. Want to track different types of investments? You can create multiple watch lists, maybe one for dividend stocks, one for high-growth tech, and another for speculative plays like crypto or small caps. You can even export your watch lists to CSV files for analysis in Excel or Google Sheets if that's your thing. The news section is another standout feature of the free version. Yahoo Finance aggregates articles from various reputable sources, giving you a comprehensive view of what's happening in the financial world. Whether you're interested in broad market trends or specific company news, you'll find plenty of information to keep you informed. They even categorize news by industry, which is helpful if you're focused on specific sectors like energy, biotech, or real estate. And while other platforms lock news articles behind paywalls, Yahoo Finance provides a wide selection of free, digestible updates from Bloomberg, Reuters, MarketWatch, and more. No subscription needed. For those who want to track their own investments, the free version offers a basic portfolio tool. You can input your holdings and see how they're performing in real time. While it doesn't offer advanced analytics, it's a great way to get a quick overview of your investments without needing to log into your brokerage account. You can even input your cost basis, purchase date, and quantity, giving you a personal view of gains and losses. While it won't replace full-blown portfolio management software, it's an excellent lightweight tool for those who want a simple, dashboard-style overview. Now, let's talk about Yahoo Finance Premium. This paid subscription builds on the free features, but adds more tools designed for active investors and traders. If you're interested in trying out Yahoo Finance Premium, there's a link in the description where you can sign up for a free trial. It's a great way to test the tools and see if they actually improve your research or trading workflow, without committing right away. So, what exactly do you get when you upgrade to Premium? At the time of recording, Yahoo Finance Premium costs around $34.99 a month, or about $349.99 annually. though they frequently offer free trials and discounted first-year pricing. Make sure to check for promos if you're considering the upgrade. First up, advanced charting and technical indicators. While the free version offers basic charts, Premium takes it to the next level. You'll have access to a wide range of technical indicators, drawing tools, and the ability to compare multiple stocks on the same chart. This is particularly useful for traders who rely on technical analysis to make decisions. Indicators include MACD, Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving averages, Fibonacci retracements, you name it. You can also save custom chart views, which is a big time saver if you analyze multiple tickers regularly. It's like having a mini trading view built into Yahoo's ecosystem. Another key feature of Premium is the fair value analysis and company insights from Morningstar. This gives you a deeper understanding of a company's intrinsic value and how it compares to the current market price. It's like having a professional analyst in your pocket, helping you make more informed investment decisions. The fair value indicator uses Morningstar's proprietary models to highlight whether a stock is undervalued, fairly priced, or overvalued. This is especially useful for long-term investors who rely on fundamentals over hype. You'll also get access to in-depth company reports, risk ratings, and business summary breakdowns. The investment idea screeners in Premium are a game changer for those looking to discover new opportunities. You can filter stocks based on a wide range of criteria, from fundamental metrics to technical indicators. Whether you're looking for undervalued dividend stocks or high-growth tech companies, these screeners can help you find potential winners. You can screen by dozens of factors, like PE ratio, ROE, debt to equity, analyst ratings, insider activity, and earnings growth. It's especially helpful if you follow specific investing styles like value investing, dividend growth, or momentum trading. Portfolio performance comparison is another premium feature that takes your investment tracking to the next level. Not only can you see how your portfolio is performing, but you can also compare it to various benchmarks and even other user portfolios. This gives you valuable context and helps you understand if you're outperforming or underperforming the market. And it's not just benchmarks like the S&P 500. You can compare performance across different time frames, asset classes, and risk levels. This insight can help you rebalance your portfolio and make strategic adjustments over time. Historical financials and analyst estimates are also included in the Premium package. This allows you to dive deep into a company's past performance and see what experts are predicting for the future. It's invaluable information when you're conducting thorough research on potential investments. You'll get access to up to 5 years of financial statements, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports. Plus, you can view forward-looking analyst projections, EPS trends, and target price ranges, all in one place. So, the big question is Yahoo Finance Premium worth it for casual investors? Well, it really depends on your investment style and goals. Let's break it down even more clearly. Use the free version if you're a long-term investor, beginner, or someone who just wants market news and basic data. Consider Premium if you do your own research, screen for stocks regularly, or trade based on technicals and earnings analysis. If you're a buy-and-hold investor who only checks their portfolio occasionally, the free version might be more than enough for your needs. You'll still have access to real-time quotes, basic charts, and plenty of financial news to keep you informed. However, if you're an active trader or someone who likes to do in-depth research before making investment decisions, Premium could be a worthwhile investment. The advanced charting tools, fair value analysis, and investment screeners can potentially help you make better informed decisions and discover new opportunities. It's also worth considering how much you currently spend on other financial tools or subscriptions. If you're paying for multiple services that offer similar features to Yahoo Finance Premium, consolidating to a single platform could actually save you money in the long run. For example, if you're using TradingView for charting, Morningstar for analysis, and another tool for screening, Yahoo Finance Premium could roll all of that into one subscription. The value comes from integration and convenience. One way to decide is to take advantage of Yahoo Finance Premium's free trial. Again, if you want to give Yahoo Finance Premium a try, the free trial link is in the description below. Check it out and see if it works for your investing style. And here's a tip. Set a calendar reminder a few days before the trial ends, this allows you to test out all the features and see if they truly add value to your investment process. Pay attention to which tools you actually use and whether they are making a difference in your decision-making or portfolio performance. Remember, the most expensive tool isn't always the best one for your needs. It's about finding the right fit for your investment style, knowledge level, and goals. Some investors might find that combining the free version of Yahoo Finance with other free resources gives them all the information they need. Others might discover that the premium features save them time and provide insights they can't easily find elsewhere. Ultimately, the choice between Yahoo Finance and Yahoo Finance Premium comes down to your personal needs and how you approach investing. Both versions offer valuable tools and information, but Premium is designed for those who want to take a deeper dive into market analysis and stock research. If you're just starting out, stick with the free version and focus on learning the basics of investing. As you become more experienced and start to feel limited by the free tools, that might be the time to consider upgrading to Premium. For those of you who are already using Yahoo Finance, whether the free or premium version, I'd love to hear about your experience. Drop a comment below and let me know which features you find most useful and whether you think premium is worth the cost. Remember, no matter which version you choose, the most important thing is to use these tools as part of a well-thought-out investment strategy. Don't let the abundance of data lead you to make impulsive decisions. Instead, use it to inform your choices and stay aligned with your long-term financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with your friends. They might find this info helpful too. Thanks for watching, and here's to making informed investment decisions. Whether you're using Yahoo Finance or Yahoo Finance Premium, happy investing, everyone!